Do you wake up every morning with stiff, aching joints? You struggle to move, and even simple tasks feel unbearable. Science reveals that the biggest cause of joint pain is not aging, it's chronic inflammation, a condition when your own immune system attacks your joints. Now, nutritionists agree that inflammation can be controlled simply by eating the right foods. In this video, we will discuss 10 foods that reduce inflammation and ease joint pain without any side effects. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 10. Turmeric. Do you remember someone telling you to try turmeric milk after an injury? Well, they were right about it. Studies now show turmeric is one of the best foods to lower chronic inflammation in your body. People have used it as a painkiller for centuries. It is also known as the golden spice. But how does it actually work? Turmeric has something called curcumin inside it. This curcumin is really good at fighting ongoing inflammation. A study from Harvard Health found the same thing. They worked with 139 people, and 94% of them said their joint pain went down by half with curcumin. Even better, no one had stomach problems from using it. That is a big deal because many pain medicines upset your stomach. So, if you are also suffering from inflammation-based joint pains, turmeric can help. Start adding it to your meals every day and enjoy its benefits without any side effects. Number 9. Berries. Berries, like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, aren't just yummy fruits. They are full of powerful natural compounds that fight joint pain. You heard it right. Berries contain anthocyanin, an antioxidant that lowers inflammation. A study published in Nature shows how it works. In the study, it was found that anthocyanins actually suppress signaling pathways like NF-κB and MAPK. These are the pathways that trigger the release of pro-inflammatory molecules that cause pain. But that's not all. Berries also have vitamin C, which helps build collagen. And collagen is a protein that keeps your joints strong and flexible. Now, you can enjoy these juicy fruits by mixing them into yogurt or simply eating a handful. Do it, and your joints will thank you. Number 8. Whole grains. Whole grains like whole wheat, brown rice, oats, and barley are better than refined grains. They keep all parts of the grain, which means more fiber, vitamins, and nutrients. But their benefits go beyond nutrition. Whole grains help lower inflammation in the body. Inflammation markers are substances in the blood that show how much inflammation is present. One important marker is C-reactive protein, also called CRP. Eating whole grains can lower CRP levels. This is important because high CRP is linked to joint pain and arthritis. By reducing inflammation, whole grains may help keep joints healthier and less painful. Whole grains are also an important part of the Mediterranean diet. You can add them to your meals by replacing refined grains with whole grains. For example, choose whole wheat bread instead of white bread or brown rice instead of white rice. You can also try oats for breakfast, quinoa in salads, or barley in soups. Number 7. Chia seeds. Chia seeds may be small, but they are full of nutrients. They contain fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and antioxidants. Chia seeds help fight chronic inflammation. The proteins in chia seeds help balance the process of inflammation. They reduce the pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are the molecules that increase inflammation in the body. At the same time, they boost anti-inflammatory molecules, which help calm inflammation. Additionally, chia seeds also contain antioxidants like caffeic acid. These antioxidants protect the body from damage and further reduce inflammation. Now, coming to the question, what's the best way to take chia seeds? You can soak them in water or milk to make a pudding-like treat. You can also mix them into smoothies or sprinkle them over yogurt. See? It's that simple to get the benefits of these magical seeds. Number 6. Nuts. Nuts are not a direct cure for joint pain, but they can help support healthy joints. Many nuts, such as walnuts and almonds, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. These molecules help reduce inflammation associated with joint pain. Nuts are also rich in vitamin E, which helps protect cells from damage. It may also reduce oxidative stress, a process that can make joint pain worse. Another benefit of nuts is their high content of polyphenols. Polyphenols are compounds that have anti-inflammatory and immune-modulating effects. These compounds help protect cartilage and slow down joint degeneration over time. Finally, nuts are an excellent source of healthy fats that support overall joint lubrication. Well-lubricated joints are less prone to stiffness and pain. That makes movement easier and more comfortable. So go ahead and go nuts for nuts. Number 5. Olive oil. Also called the golden oil of the Mediterranean, olive oil is a special medicine for our bodies. It contains oleocanthal, a natural compound that helps reduce inflammation. Oleocanthal works in a way similar to ibuprofen by blocking enzymes that cause pain and swelling. They also have some other powerful antioxidants, including vitamin E. These help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which can indirectly benefit joint health by mitigating chronic inflammation. Olive oil is widely used for massages because it hydrates the skin, but the real benefits come from eating it, especially the extra virgin olive oil. Adding it to your diet may help ease joint pain. Olive oil is also a healthier option than using trans fats for cooking. Use it as a salad dressing, drizzle it over vegetables, or mix it into soups and pasta. Eating it regularly can help reduce inflammation, support heart health, and keep your joints strong. Number 4. Green tea. Green tea is often called a celebrity favorite. Stars like Gwyneth Paltrow, Jennifer Lopez, and Lady Gaga include it in their routines. And the reasons behind this are the antioxidant-rich properties and other health benefits of green tea. Studies show that green tea contains catechins. Catechins are known for their ability to protect our body cells from damage. These compounds work by blocking certain enzymes that cause swelling and pain. This helps reduce joint pain over time. Green tea is one of the easiest and most affordable drinks for joint health, so don't forget to include it in your daily routine. Number 3. Ginger, garlic, and onion. Ginger, garlic, and onions are more than just common kitchen items. They contain natural compounds that help fight inflammation in the body. Ginger, for example, has bioactive compounds that fight against inflammation-causing substances. When our body is in pain, it releases certain signals that increase swelling and stiffness. Ginger works by blocking these signals, stopping the inflammation from getting worse. Garlic and onions also have anti-inflammatory properties. They may help with health conditions where inflammation plays a major role. Now, adding these flavorful ingredients to your meals is very easy. You can try ginger in teas, garlic in sauces, and onions in salads. This can be a simple and cost-effective strategy to support joint health and reduce inflammation. Number 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These are healthy fats that help calm inflammation in the body. The American Heart Association also recommends fatty fish because it provides protein without too much unhealthy fat. But what makes omega-3s special? They actually control the molecules that tell the body when to start or stop inflammation. This means they influence how cells communicate and respond to inflammation. In other words, they can turn off genes that promote inflammation and turn on genes that help reduce it. This helps lower swelling and pain over time. Regular consumption of these fish can help reduce joint pain and stiffness, particularly in individuals with arthritis. Number 1. Green leafy vegetables. Leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables are the superheroes for your health. That's why they deserve the top spot on this list. Almost everyone recommends them for a reason, because they are packed with powerful nutrients. Spinach, kale, broccoli, and cabbage are the natural packages of vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Spinach, for example, is rich in vitamins A, C, E, K, and omega-3 fatty acids, which makes it a powerful anti-inflammatory food. Studies show that leafy greens are an important part of an anti-inflammatory diet. Research even suggests that eating them regularly can help lower inflammation. Whether you have mild or chronic joint pain, leafy greens are your best friend. You can eat them throughout the day, or at least have a salad with your meals. This will help fight inflammation and keep your joints strong. So, these were the 10 science-backed foods that have the natural power to fight against chronic inflammation. Make the most of these powerful anti-inflammatory foods with little balance and the right approach. But if you keep eating junk food, sugary drinks, and processed foods, you will have multiple problems, including joint pain. Watch this video to know what these dangerous foods are. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to get healthy in your 40s. We will meet in another video. Until next time. Goodbye.